A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
Hello and welcome. When it comes to replacing coolant, whether for repairs or when it needs to be replaced at regular intervals, you need a vacuum pump. And I have brought along the PCE-RVP 180. This is a vacuum pump that can extract 226 liters per minute. So it's a vacuum pump for really large systems. And let's take a look at the nameplate here. It says at the bottom that it has 3/4 horsepower, or 550 watts. So it's a pretty big one. We can only run it here in the studio, because we can't and aren't allowed to work with refrigerants in the studio. We can only run it for a short demonstration, in a dry state so to speak, and hear that it starts up and makes noise. I'm doing that right now. It is a vacuum pump that is oil operated, and we can look at the side here, so we can see a very large and clear window here, in which we can keep a constant eye on the oil level. And if we look up here, on the top side here, is the filler neck. The corresponding threads are also supplied, which we can use to top up the oil. The connection to the coolant circuit is made via 1/4 inch or 3/4 inch SAE threads, which we can see in the picture above. All in all, a very nice powerful vacuum pump, the PCE-RVP 180. See you next time and goodbye.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.